Hi, viewers and seekers. We all are seeking some or the other awareness to make our life better and better. This video is to share with you, what is that specific thing that you can, expect from this channel. So before that, let me share with you about my profession. I've been a trainer and coach for the last 25 years for corporates and individuals. So I actually train people on four different areas. First is communication. Now when we speak to somebody face to face, only 7% is a language, whatever language you use. 93% is non-verbal communication. That is a face expression, a body language, and all that. So, what drives our non-verbal communication? Any idea? What drives our non-verbal communication is our feelings, our emotions, our thoughts, our belief systems, how we feel about ourselves, how we feel about our past, how do we feel about our present, how do we feel about the future, right? Our behavior, our attitudes, our action, all that is communication. Okay, and it shows up in a non-verbal communication. And it is said that we can resolve any issue in our life with communication. So that is the power of communication. The second area where I train people is on language. Well, you guessed it right, it is English. See, as we know, there are many languages spoken in our country and also in the world. Okay, there are some languages like German, French, which are also widely spoken. However, English is a universal language by which we can connect with not just people in our country but even anybody in the world, right? So we can look at English as a universal language. So I train people, systematically on how to develop English speaking skills, especially for those who had their school education in a different medium. So that's the second area where I train people. The third area where I train people is I'm a certified energy therapist. So I train people on guided meditation. So that's the third area. And as a therapist, okay, I also have a good awareness of how emotions, play a role in our health. So that's what I train people on. The fourth area is technology. Now, as you know, technology is powerful, right? And the way new technologies are emerging is sometimes difficult to catch up. So we have Facebook, we have Twitter, okay, we have YouTube, we have LinkedIn. So many tools which are very powerful if you use it, okay, in a way that makes your life better. So I train people on digital literacy. That is a systematic training on computer fundamentals. That is, what is hardware, what is software, what are the different terms that you come across. Then Windows, and then MS Office. That is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, because that's used widely in any business or workplace, right? So there are a lot of people even today who are not very comfortable with using technology. Like some people have a feeling that okay, the computer is a very expensive, machine. So if I do something wrong, it might, no, not work again. So some people are not comfortable, right? So this training actually, empowers you to, feel comfortable about, using a computer and use it to the maximum. So those are the four areas where I train people. So in this channel, I plan to share insights and tips. Okay, in all these four areas, and I believe you'll get some value out of it. So I just shared with you what we can expect from this channel. The next thing is, so many of us, especially who have seen, who have traveled quite a lot in the life journey, many of us have faced health challenges. Some of us also have faced a critical illness, fought with it and come out with flying colors. So I'll be sharing one major health challenge that I faced, and how I went through a long journey of healing, and I finally came out of with flying colors. So I'm sure this is going to be relevant to you directly or even indirectly in case somebody else in the family has the same issue. So I look forward to sharing that very soon. Well, lastly, please check the playlist in my YouTube channel. I've categorized the YouTube videos, so you can actually browse based on your interest. So if you're interested in technology, you can look at technology. If you are interested in something related to communication, you can look at that. And I'll be definitely happy to see your comments. And do remember to hit the bell button so you're alerted the moment I upload a new video. The last thing I want to share is there will be a new category in the playlist soon. It is called Earth Ascension. Now that is an awareness that's very very close to my heart, and it's a big reason that motivates me to look forward to life with a positive outlook, especially in this current scenario of pandemic. So it's called Earth Ascension. Basically, our planet is has been operating from fear, greed, and competition for the last hundreds or maybe thousands of years. So every area of life, be it business or education or work, health, whatever, everything has been based on fear, greed, and competition. So our planet, including the people, we are now moving to love, sharing, and cooperation. So it's a transition. Okay, it's a transformation. And those who know about transformation is a difficult process. Though at the end of it, the result is beautiful. So do watch out for that playlist category, Earth Ascension. So we'll be uploading that in the coming days. So friends, that's all. So looking forward to sharing with you and also interacting with you at this YouTube channel. It's just one life, right? Let's give it the best shot. Thank you. Bye.